The legs of insects are always paired and jointed, but significant variations in the structure of the legs occur. The front legs of mantids are enlarged to grab and hold onto prey. The mouth of a praying mantis is a remarkable and formidable structure designed for catching and devouring prey. It consists of the spiky jaws, the triangular head of the mantis, the prostheca, and the labial palps. The spiky jaws consists of two long, slender mandibles with sharp, tooth-like projections used for grasping and holding onto insects, leaves, and even small vertebrates. The mantis's head is shaped like a triangle, with the jaws at the base, allowing for a wide range of motion and precision strikes. The prostheca, a small, flexible, flap-like structure at the base of the jaws, which helps to manipulate and guide prey into the mouth. The labial palps, two small, finger-like appendages near the mouth, used for tasting and sensing prey. When a praying mantis captures prey, it uses its spiky jaws to hold and immobilize it, then devours it whole, using its powerful front legs to help push the food into its mouth. The mouth is designed for efficient hunting and feeding, making the praying mantis a formidable predator in its ecosystem.